Google Ads are one of the pillars of a shop's modern digital marketing strategy, the most direct response marketing and a powerful way to increase your business's online exposure when implemented effectively. Through our experienced Google Ads management, we connect your shop with the potential customers who are actively searching for the services you offer. We use precise geographic targeting and in-depth demographic profiling to make sure your ads reach real buyers. You can choose who or what you'd like to target, whether it's geographic area, household income, education, device type, or more specific qualifiers to reach your ideal customer for your auto repair shop. We don't just run ads. We strategically target the right people at the right time to make sure your ads reach the right customers. Our company has over 20 years experience implementing Google Ads for auto repair shops. We have gathered extensive positive and negative keyword lists to ensure you show an ad for any variation of search term used. Our advanced level campaigns leverage artificial intelligence to adapt to market conditions and dynamically optimize to drive qualified leads to your business. This reduces your cost per lead, increases impression share, and even allows clients with small ad spend budgets to outperform their competitors. You might find success with potential customers finding your website, but not all of them are immediately ready to make the sale. In this case, we can utilize remarketing to follow up with these customers, staying top of mind to earn their business when they are ready for the service. Our goal is to ensure your Google Ads are a targeted, cost-effective piece of your marketing puzzle focused on customer reach and acquisition. If you're looking for someone to implement and manage Google Ads for your shop, reach out to us. We'd love to help you out and boost your business to the next level.